Welcome to Ramya's Unique Corner. Let's make kuli paniyaram. To make it healthier, I have added raw chopped vegetables without frying them and added them in the idli batter. You will need ginger, curry leaves, carrot, chili, onion, olives, coconut. Also add salt and baking soda. In a bowl, add soda, salt and all the chopped vegetables. Mix it well. Add idli batter and mix it well again. Let it set for 10 minutes. You can take the screenshot of the ingredients with measurement. Heat the kuli paniyaram pan on the stove for 2 minutes. Pour little oil and pour the prepared kuli paniyaram batter in all the 7 holes. I am using an indolium pan. I have been using it for many years. To get good results, do not wash the indolium pan frequently. Just clean it with cloth and store it in a cloth bag. Now close it with the lid. Kuli paniyaram has beautifully cooked one side. Now it's time to flip it to the other side. This is a very popular traditional South Indian breakfast. Kids love this crunchy breakfast. Now I am preparing second batch of kuli paniyaram. Repeat the same procedure for other batches to make paniyaram. Once it is golden brown, both the sides, it is time to transfer it to a plate for serving. Your tasty and healthy kuli paniyaram is ready. Your kids will enjoy this crunchy and fluffy kuli paniyaram for breakfast with chutney. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. To watch more recipes, just click the video.